Hey parents, this is a good flow to put on for your little one to play around while you're doing some laundry or just trying to get a little task done around the house. So this is all themed around doing laundry so they can kind of be involved in what you're doing, but give you a little bit of time to just kind of be focused on the task at hand. All right, so we're gonna get started. We are gonna do our own laundry here in our yoga routine. So let's start by picking up our laundry and putting all the clothes in the hamper. So reach down, pick up the clothes, put them in the hamper. Reach down, pick them up, put them in the hamper. Let's keep doing that. So we're gonna stretch, bend one leg, reach down side to side. Pick up all the clothes. All right, now we have to pick up our basket. So when we pick our basket up, we want to really use good form here in our body. So can you turn your toes out a little and then sink your hips down so you're really using your leg muscles. Reach down and lift up. Let's practice that. Good laundry form here. So bend down, grab your basket and lift up. Let's do that a couple more times. This is our laundry basket pickup. Reach down and up. Really bend into your legs. One more time. Reach down, pick it up. All right, we got to go carry it to the laundry machine. So let's do a little march, march, march as we walk. Really lift your legs up high. Get a little stretch here along the way. All right, we made it to our washing machine. So we're gonna put all the clothes in, do a little stretch. As you put them in, maybe a little twist, twist, twist as you're putting all your laundry in. Now here comes the fun part. We get to be the laundry machine. So spread your legs out wide, and we're gonna put our hands on our hips and we're gonna rotate our hips like it's a washing machine. Here we go. We're washing all the laundry. So can you turn, turn, turn and get it going? Maybe go a little faster. Faster, faster, faster. It's picking up speed. And now we're gonna go the other way. So make your circles go the other way as you stretch through your hips, through your legs, stretch your back. And let's get going a little bit faster. Faster, faster, faster. Really get your laundry washing machine going. And start to slow it down. All right, we got to do the rinse now. So let's take a big breath in and we're going to rinse by going whoosh. One more time. Big breath in and rinse. Whoosh. One more time. Last rinse. Big breath in and rinse. All right, we're gonna dry, or not dry it out yet, but we have to wring out the clothes in the washing machine's gonna do it for us. So we're gonna keep being the washing machine here, but we're gonna twist side to side. Twist, twist, twist. We're wringing out the clothes. It's really good. We don't have to use our hands anymore for this. We have machines. Let's twist, twist, twist. The machine is wringing out the clothes, getting all the water out after that rinse. Twist, twist, twist. And stop. All right, time to put the clothes in the dryer. So we gotta take them out and put them in the dryer. Take them out, put them in the dryer. Out, put them in the dryer. And let's set our timer on the dryer. And now they're gonna tumble dry. So the clothes are tumbling inside of our dryer. Let's see if we can make a movement like that with our body. We're gonna rock and roll and tumble around on our mat. Let's do that 10 times. So we'll start by standing at the top of the mat, rolling into a ball, rolling back, and then coming all the way back up. Okay, here we go, 10 times. So let's sit back and roll and come all the way up. 1. Let's keep going. 2, 3, 4. How you doing? Stay with me. We're almost there, almost halfway. 5. Halfway now. Let's keep going. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Whew. I think our clothes are dry after all that tumbling around back and forth. All right, so what do we have to do after our clothes are dry? Well, we got to fold our clothes. This is what I spend a lot of time doing. So let's fold all of our clothes. Let's start by just standing up and reaching up and then folding down. Touch your toes. Reach up and fold down. Touch your toes. One more time. Reach up, fold down, touch your toes. How about this? I see a shirt. Bring your arms out wide. And we're going to fold our arms. Bring one arm in, bring the other arm in, just like you would fold a shirt. Take a big breath in. As you exhale, we're going to fold forward like we're folding a shirt. And lift back up. Let's do that one more time. Bring your arms out wide. Fold one arm in, other arm in. Take a big breath in and fold. You got it. All right, well, let's fold some pants. Let's sit down this time. Bring one pant leg out, the other pant leg out, and reach forward and fold your pants. See if you can touch your toes or touch your legs. Let's do that again. Reach up and fold. Reach up and fold. Last time, reach up and fold. You did it. Well, that was a lot of work doing all that laundry. I am tired out. I don't know about you. Let's take a little break. So let's lay down and maybe we'll take out a blanket. So maybe from our pile of clothes that we just folded, all that stuff that we cleaned, we can pull out a blanket. Pretend you're putting that blanket on you and just lay down. Take a big breath in and out as you relax after all your hard work. And just feel the blanket against your skin, the nice warm blanket right after it came out of the dryer. Imagine how it feels against your body. Take one more breath in and out. And slowly imagine you're lifting your blanket up and come all the way up to sit. Thanks for helping me do laundry today. Now that you did all that practice, maybe you can help your grown-up do a little bit of laundry. All right, well, I hope you had fun today, enjoyed this video. Parents, if you like this, then please like the video and share it with friends and make sure to subscribe to our page. All right, I'll see you next time.